Hey y'all, welcome back. I'm going to try to do a soft glam look. I don't know how this is gonna go because I don't do soft glam. Like what? But I'm going to start by applying my face first, and I'm gonna leave my eyes for last. I don't know. Kind of worried about doing my eyes last, but you know what? I'm gonna see it through. So I did get a couple new things that I wanted to try. I haven't been using the Fit Me Matte Poreless Foundation in the shade 360. But instead, because I realized I have dry skin, why am I using matte foundation? That doesn't make sense. I mean, you can use it, but sometimes it doesn't apply well for me. So I got the Fit Me Dewy Smooth Foundation in 360. So there's that. And then I got ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Hydrating Foundation. This is shade Dark 175W. But honestly, I'm about tired of Maybelline right now. So we're gonna do ColourPop. And I hope it's the right color. Cause you know when you buy things online, it's like telling you, oh, this is your color. I don't know, fam. I don't know. But we're finna try it. I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Dew Primer, Jelly Pop Dew Primer. There you go. Y'all wanna know something? This looks a little light. A little light. Hell, it is light. I'm gonna continue anyway. Because maybe it's not as light as I think it is. I'm delusional as hell, ain't I? Yeah, y'all, I'm gonna look like a clown. ColourPop lied to me. Oh, did they? Did they? Did they? Look, cause y'all, that looks great, but when I pat it in, it doesn't look so bad. I like a bright under eye. I don't know why, but it's got me in a chokehold. And then I'm going to take my foundation brush and kind of blend it some more. Oh, I did get this LA Girl Pro Powder, High Definition Setting Powder. It's called Banana Yellow. My Too Faced. I'm gonna use my P. Louise base in Room 5. My 39L Hit the Lights palette. Okay, y'all. This is the final look. Let me know what y'all think in the comments.